Hey there YouTube, it's Bondy Junior 100 and today I've decided to do a nerf video. Well, today I went to Walmart and I bought the Nerf Super Soaker Thunderstorm. Well, the magazine, it holds up to 10 fluent ounces, pretty good. It has a stock, it has a barrel, and the little buttons to unlock the mag. And well, today I'm outside, really hot. Okay, so first of all, on the barrel or stock, you can put anything you want on it. It goes on like that. Yeah, or you can put on a little light, which isn't too good, but oh well. And then the stock on it makes it look like a submachine gun if you look at it. So yeah, I'll get onto it quick and I'll do a firing test. So the magazine, that's what leads into the whole gun where the water comes out, and that is all where the pressure comes. So I'll just load it in like so. Put the magazine like that, and easy as you just go, and that's it. So then I'll do it from this line and see how far it shoots. that is, it's gone up to here. Mainly landed about here from about where that black thing is from over there. And let's try it again. That was flat on, let's try it at a bit of an angle. So that's gone quite a bit further, not too much. So say before it was about up to here, now it's up to about here. So that's actually quite good, and it's battery powered, and it's really good because it was about $10, and I bought it today about half hour ago, not too much. I'll try a real big angle. That hasn't gone that much further, but yeah, it's good. So it went up to there. So that's about it, really. It's waterproof, as I've already said, because the batteries are sealed in there. You can buy extra clips separately for about $4.99. So yeah, I recommend it, and it's quite easy just to pull out the mag. So yeah, see you next time. Please rate and subscribe, and check out my other videos. Peace out, YouTube.